No, let's come to reality right now. Guys, here is Postano Trudy. I had never seen a celebrity, this is the truth. I never seen a celebrity treated the way they treated this boy, IShowSpeed. So IShowSpeed made it to Kenya, yeah, guys, he made it to Kenya. And he had 47 million subs, in that total. But when he reached in Kenya, he gained over 200k subs. Yo! What? IShowSpeed! Yo! I never seen this. What? Africa, we are the greatest. Thank you for spreading that love, You spread that love. Oh my God. I never seen this. I've seen celebrities. I've been in some places where celebrities are. But I have never seen a celebrity treated the way they have treated IShowSpeed. Yo, what's going on? What's going on, guys? If you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel, Postano Trudy. African vlogger, African content creator. I'm proud to be an African. Yo, guys, this is real. That's why the stream is called In Real Life Stream. No fake, no. You see people crying over him. You see people. Thank you, people of Kenya. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for showing these people, English people, that we are loved. We are rooted by culture. Oh, no! What? Let me tell you something. Yeah, I know you know that voice. Guys, when IShowSpeed himself couldn't expect what happened. But you saw what happened. I've been watching all the lives just because I didn't make it to Kenya, but I wanted to go. But this is real, guys. This is real. This is real. Yo!